Hello, a very good day to all of you. Today we look at or discuss the very basic one of the very basic topics in mathematics known as a function. Firstly, we look at a definition of a function. A function is a rules that assigns to each input number exactly one output number. Then before that, we look at the types of variables. We have two types of variables. Firstly, we have an independent variable, a variable that represents input numbers for a function that is x. And secondly, we have the dependent variable, a variable that represents output numbers for a function y. So now we look at how to determine or justify whether y is a function or it's not a function of x. If you look at example 1, let's say we have an equation y equals x plus 2. Sorry for the small size of equals and plus symbol. Never mind. So in this case, we want to determine whether y is or is not a function of x. If you look at the solution, if we take x equals 1 as an input, then we'll have y equals fx or equals y, f bracket 1 or equals 1. We just plug in the values of x by 1 plus 2 equals 3. And if we take x equals minus 4, then we'll have x minus 4 equals minus 2. And if we take any numbers of x, then it shows that they will assign to exactly one values of y. So therefore, the rules define y as a function of x. Why? As I mentioned earlier, because everywhere x will assign to exactly one values of y. Now, let us consider the equation y squared equals x. Once again, it's not y2, it's y squared. Right. If we do the same thing as a previous example, let x equals 9, we just plug in the values of x equals 9 in the equation y squared equals x. It will give us y squared equals 9. Then the solution is y, or the values of y equals plus or minus 3. It shows that one values of x, which is 9, assigned to more than one values of y. So in this case, there's two values of y. So therefore, the rules does not define y as a function of x. Why? Because a value of x assigned to more than one values of y. So that's all. Thanks so much for your time. See you all in the next slide. Thank you.